it's Veronica Pullen here from veronicapullen.co.uk, and I want to talk to you today about 3 very powerful Facebook advertising techniques, strategies that you might be missing because they're not overtly obvious that you can do this. And I want to share them with you today because I'm really excited about Facebook ads. I'm really excited about the amount of opportunities that are inside the Facebook ads platform for all of us business owners wanting to get in front of our ideal clients and to to bring them into your network and to nurture a relationship and to eventually work with them. So I'm going to share 3 different strategies here today, and then I'm going to share away at the end of how, if you want my help to get all of this working in your business, we can do that. So I want to talk first of all about if you are selling workshops or online programs or you've got something for sale. You can, so say somebody visits your sales page yesterday. Say somebody visited your sales page yesterday, but they didn't buy. So what you can do using, these are all free features inside Facebook ads, is that you can track the people who visited your sales page yesterday but didn't buy, and you can then pay for an ad to go back in front of them that sends an ad directly to their messenger. So Facebook Messenger, the private message feature, send an ad directly to their messenger asking them, why didn't you buy? Was there a problem? Have you got questions that I can help you with? A private message. They don't have to communicate with you publicly. They don't have to say publicly why they didn't buy or own up publicly that they didn't buy. You can target an ad, pay for that. You don't have to pay for the tracking. You can track for free, but you pay for an ad that goes back in front of people who went to your program sales page, workshop sales page yesterday or 2 days ago, will you choose? But yesterday would be very powerful because while it's very fresh in their mind, go in front of them with an ad that says, hey, I know you went and checked out this XYZ workshop. You didn't buy. Do you have any questions? Anything I can help you with? Any questions I can answer to help you make the decision? And that ad can appear inside their messenger. Private message. Very, very powerful. The private conversation. They don't have to say, they have to comment publicly that they didn't book or reveal what held them back publicly. They can just answer the message and send you a private message letting you know why. Very, very, very powerful. That's the first thing. The next one is you cannot natively target your ads. Not right now, as in January 2007, you can't. It may happen later. But right now, you can't target your ads to people who are members of a specific group. Now, if you are very active in a specific group, even if maybe it's your group, maybe it's a group that you own, what you can do is to have a video, record a video, perhaps it's a live stream video like this, maybe it's a pre-recorded video. Create a remarketing audience for free of everyone who watched at least 3 seconds of the video. Now 3 seconds is long enough for them to scroll past. 3 seconds does not indicate that they've watched the video. It indicates that they have seen the video. Okay, so what you can do is you can create this video. Maybe it's a live stream. Maybe you just initially do a live stream to yourself because you don't have to live stream publicly. But then you post it on your page. And as we all know, with the algorithm as it is today, something like 2% of people who have liked your page will see your page post. So if you just post it on your Facebook page, it's not really going to go anywhere. So post a video on your Facebook page, create the audience of people who watch 3 seconds of that video, and then share that video inside the group that you are very, very active in, or that is your own group. Don't just go and be a dick about this and start sharing in groups where you are not known. Don't just go and randomly post these videos in group. But it's a group where you have a relationship with the members, either because it's your own group or because you're very active in it. Share the video in the group and tell them why they need to take notice of the group. of the video, sorry, right? Now, even if they don't watch the video, but they see your post, they'll be tracked in the 3-second audience. And then you can have an advert, a paid advert, that goes in front of the people in that audience, where, because you've only shared it in the group, collectively, typically speaking, the people in that audience will be people in the group. So if you've got several groups that you want to do this in, create different posts for the video, so that you've got different audiences for each video. So you can say, this audience is group A, who watched 3 seconds. This audience is group B, who watched 3 seconds. That means that going forward, you can run ads to the people who watched 3 seconds or saw, just scroll past that video. So the video needs to be something compelling and that the majority of the group would want. So, you know, make sure you tuned in to the needs of the group and what their pains are, and give them a video. Now, this video should just be content. The objective of the video is not to sell. It's not to promote anything. It's purely content. All you're doing this for is to build your audience asset. That's all the objective is for this video. It's just so that the majority of the group who see it will like it, will take notice of it. And then you're building your audience to people who are in that group. Very, very powerful. Okay, but remember, only do that when you've got a relationship with the group. Don't just go and be one of those spammy people that just bombs different groups with your video. Right? That's important. It's important because it's important for the long-term relationship that you have with your audience. It's of no benefit to you to just go and spam this video in different groups, because the audience won't care about you. So when you go and try and put your ads in front of them, they're not going to care. They're not going to take any notice. Okay, so make sure it's a group you've got a relationship with. The video, create the video, post it on your page, and then share that post in this particular group. And then the people in that audience that you've built will be collectively members of the group. Okay, the third one. You have to have, when you want to target people who are interested in a particular person, that person needs to have a sizable audience in order for them to be recognised as an interest. Now, there are people who are pretty well known on Facebook, but aren't yet big enough, don't have an audience big enough to be named as an interest. Now, if you have worked with this person, say you bought one of their programs, or you read their lead magnet, or you attended their free challenge or something, so you've got experience with this person, you know this person is active on social media, on Facebook particularly, what you can do is you can create another video, a video testimonial for this person, a video saying why you loved this person and what you did with them, how it benefited you, so that this video that you create is of immense value to the person that you've created the video for, right? You record the video, pre-recorded, live, whatever, record the video and post it on your page again. Like I said just now, just posting on your page 2%, take notice, we'll see that post. So it's, without doing anything else with it, the audience is going to be pretty small. Create the audience, people who watch 3 seconds of that video. Then share the link to the video on your Facebook page with the influencer. Say, hey, I recorded this testimonial video for you. You're gonna. I thought I'd talk about why I loved your program, your workshop, your lead magnet, whatever, so much. Now that video is an asset for the influencer. That video is an asset for the person who is selling the thing, or wants people to download their lead magnet or buy their workshop or buy their program or whatever it is, right? So they will share it, and when they share it with their audience, you're building an audience of people who watch 3 seconds, say, even if they just scroll past, people who saw the video, who by definition will be in your influencer's audience. Which means, again, you can then target ads to people who are in your influencer's audience. You can say, hey, blah, blah, blah. I know you're interested in whoever, blah, 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 benefit of ads. But it's a way for you to target your ads to people who you would love to get in front of their audience, but they're not yet big enough in Facebook interest to be recognised as an interest. I did this recently. Last year, or a few months ago, I attended a workshop run by Brad Burton for speakers. I created a video for talking about why I loved that workshop so much, why I'm so glad that I went there. Posted it on my page, created a 3-second remarketing audience for it. Gave Brad the link to the Facebook page. He's sharing it he's sharing it from his social media. I'm building the audience to people in his network. That is how it works. But so make sure the video is of value to the influencer. That's the priority. It's of value to the influencer. It helps them with whatever their objective is. So it serves them first. Then, while you serve them, they serve you by sharing the video and building your audience. Again, the objective of this video is not to sell. It's not to sell your stuff. It's not to promote you. You can do what I did at the beginning of this live and say, hey, it's Veronica Pullen here from veronicapullen.co.uk. I just want to talk to you about blah, 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 blah. Right? But that's it. The objective of the video is to be of service, to give value to the influencer. And in return, when they share it, you'll be building your audience. So these are 3 really powerful ways that you can use the tracking features inside the ads platform and Facebook ads. And believe me, there are many, many, many more.